This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a Bosch dishwasher with an E-25 error, which means it doesn't drain. And this little part, which is part of the drain assembly, has come loose. And then when the impeller spins, it's not able to create enough force to drain out the water. So we just have to get this little piece back into position. So even though there's water in the bottom, you can do this. It's a little trickier. Sometimes it's better to remove the water. But I'm just going to push this thing back in all the way toward the bottom, mainly toward the front of the dishwasher. And then once I get it down as far as it'll go, I'm going to try to push the little tab in toward the front until it clicks. If I can get that to click, then when I go to drain it, it will get rid of the water. Next, I'll be showing a really nice homeowner how to do the same procedure, and it's really not too difficult. This takes a little bit of trial and error, and she ended up doing great. And then you'll be able to fix it on your own anytime that this part might slip back out. Yay! Success! Yeah, it's just that goofy little thing fell off.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Isn't that funny?
So if it happens again, should I just...
Oh, yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you how to do it. Yeah. Yeah, now we'll be able to see a little better. Okay, let me show you. Let's see if we can get a flashlight on that thing. So, here's our little sump area.
Yep.
And this is where that impeller was, and you spun it. That was smart to make sure that thing could spin, right?
Yep.
That little propeller.
Yep.
And that white thing covers it. And there's a little tab where my thumb is.
Yep.
I'll push that away, and that'll unlock it.
Yep.
Right? And I can pull it up and out. So when I put it back in, this little thing has to go into like a little shelf to lock in. So I got to push this thing back in, but then I have to push this in to lock it. If I don't lock it, then when the impeller spins, that pressure pushes this out, and nothing happens.
Got it. Okay.
So I think that's what happened is we got to get this to go in, and then we'll click it, and I'll do it, and then I'll have you try it. Okay.
Okay. Cool.
Just get used to it. It's a little tricky. Let's see, so I'm going to push it down in as far as it'll go down, and then I'll push this in until I hear it click. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, I heard it. Yeah, so I had to use two hands. I pushed in with this one, and then I used my index finger to click it.
Okay.
Then when you look at it, you think, okay, well, which side goes in? You know for sure that this has to face toward the
shelf.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay. Do I push straight down on it?
Yeah, I think so. I think these fingers go like in at an oblique angle, and then you use your index finger to try to push that little tab in. And push it down in there the best I can. There we go. And I'll push in. There.
Oh, I think I
Hey, you
got
did it! I heard
got
it. You fixed it.
I did.